So welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unlock the ranked rewards and the great sword effect. So without any disturbance, let's go. So guys, let's go. Okay, the time has came. Out. So yeah. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Let's try this out. Okay, let's go. First the armor. Yes. So yeah, after this we need to unlock bow. So it's strong. And now the god sword effect. This is too cool, bro. Guys, this is too cool. Okay, let's try it out in a gameplay. I'll meet you in the gameplay.